OKTA stock analysis and price predictions. Is it a buy? Which this brief short 1-minute video till the end to find out. Look, I'm the only guy in the space with 40,000 videos made accumulated over 5 years. It's taken me 5 years and tens of thousands of dollars in courses and mentors. So I've seen what's making me money, and I have all the data backing up my claims because I have 40,000 videos. And specifically here, I'm just still looking to double down. The previous initiative was, yeah, it did deliver, and then it kind of crashed. So with that in mind, I'm here to tell you that I'm still looking to double down, right? So that is the top. The way that I'm going to do things is I'm not going to just blindly jump in. No. I mean, I would prefer a pull down and a double break shift in order for me to buy. So that's exactly how I'm going to look at things. But yeah, if it doesn't show me any of that, then I guess it's not going to be meant for me to buy, which is fine. It's totally fine. No grudge. And if you want to learn how I'm making 10K per month for the indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free emails. Goodbye.